I am Mary Hillis, a high school teacher, mom, and wife. I enjoy spending time with my family, reading books about history, and crafting. I currently teach at Garndale High School in Garndale, Alabama, and am working on my master's degree in secondary education social studies. As far as my cognitive development, from an early age, I enjoyed school and learning new things. I have a bachelor's degree in secondary education social sciences, and for the last 9 years, I have been teaching and attending as many professional development courses as possible. I aspire to be a lifelong learner and would be a professional student if I could afford it. My cultural development, my family is Slavic, and we practice many of the traditions such as being Catholic, eating Eastern European food, and being very close-knit. During my childhood, I lived in both Alabama and Michigan, and I incorporate aspects of both Northern and Southern culture in my life. For emotional development, while many may view anxiety as being a negative aspect on someone's emotional state, I utilize my anxiety as my driving force. I've always been a very hard worker and high achiever and believe that I must use the tools I have been given to go where I want to in life. My moral development originated in my strict Catholic upbringing, but has evolved over time as I've gained more life experiences. While my first instinct is to fall back on my religious upbringing when dealing with moral issues, I have learned to use it as a guide, but ultimately make decisions based on my own moral compass. Physical development was never an easy topic growing up, and I felt awkward for most of my adolescence. Since having children, I recognized the importance of being healthy, and over the past year changed my lifestyle to be healthier for my children. Now I run 3 to 4 miles every day on my treadmill and eat much healthier. My social development has been shaped by my family, friends, work, and personal experiences. My family is the foundation for how I interact with others and to be a strong, independent woman. My friends have always challenged me to be more outgoing and to get out of my comfort zone. And through my work as a teacher and other personal experiences, I have learned to have more empathy and advocate for those who don't have a voice. Theodore Roosevelt said, "Do what you can with what you have where you are." There are so many factors, biological and environmental, that contribute to who I am, and it is impossible for me to say which has been the most effective. But I've always used my resources that I have to achieve my dreams.